How to remove photosensitive videos. Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove photosensitive videos on TikTok. So first thing, go to your TikTok, then go to profile, then you see those three buttons up there, tap up there, tap on setting and privacy. You have a lot of choices. Tap on accessibility and now tap on remove photosensitive videos, and now you remove photosensitive videos on your TikTok. So this is it. This is how you remove photosensitive videos on your TikTok. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.